Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see how much you've spent on DoorDash. You can check how much you've spent on DoorDash on both the website or the app itself, okay? So as you can see here, I have my computer open. So go ahead and go to DoorDash.com, log into your account. And once done, you have multiple options on how to compute how much you've spent, okay? First up in here in the left panel, same with the phone app. Go to order section, and here you'll be able to see all of your orders, okay? Just basically filter it out by date range, okay? Then once done, manually add them to your calculator. Say, for example, you are receiving email receipts, okay? You can go ahead and open up your emailing service and then just look for DoorDash. For example, in here, just type in DoorDash, and you'll be able to find all of your DoorDash orders. Just go ahead and click on each order or order emails and then compute it, okay? Now, if you are on a business or team accounts, you can go ahead and log into the work portal and then just click on the billing history tab and then select download to get a PDF or CSV of your billing history. And also you can go ahead and go to your banking app, select the statement date and wait for your copy. And then once done, you can go ahead and look for DoorDash orders. Okay, and of course, you'll have to manually add it into your calculator. And that is it. That's how you see how much you spent here on DoorDash. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.